Welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to show you real quickly by just buying a few things from the dollar store how you can make a nice little prop for Halloween. So let's go ahead and get started. So all you need to do is pick up an old mask or something like this from the dollar store. If you maybe you've got something kicking around, and pick up a couple of these little teacup lights, and they usually come in a pack of 2 for $1 at the dollar store as well. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and I'm going to glue them into the eye sockets just like this. So just take your glue gun and go ahead and just glue it in there. You don't need much. Just kind of spin it around, make sure that you got them lined up the way you want them. Like that. Let that set up for just a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and turn them on. And there you go. You got a nice little prop for Halloween or whatever else you might be doing. So what you want to do now is this strap that you would normally put over your head, you want to put a little small knot in that, and that will kind of tighten up a little bit, so when you hang it off the side of a building, it won't kind of tip forward that much. Just kind of hang that like that. There you go. Get yourself a nice little prop, Halloween decoration, whatever you may be working on. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one.